Hi everyone, this is Kannan Nova. Today I am going to show how Alibaba Cloud can help us to run machine learning projects or any data science projects in Alibaba Cloud environment. Let's start. This is Alibaba Cloud Pi environment. Pi environment is a special resource for machine learning projects and data science projects. We can run any machine learning algorithms in Pi. Pi console left side panel has a lot of menus. These all are machine learning process stages like data collection, data pre-processing, model training, model deployment. In model training we have three options. One is visualized modeling. This is a drag and drop kind of studio. Second one is data science workspace, data science workshop resource where we can run our Python code using a Jupyter notebook. Third one is we can train model using deep learning. Now I am going to show DSW notebook service. This is a data science workshop. Here we can see Python versions 3, 2, console they have, and we have terminals. If any package or library is missing for your project, then you can use a terminal to install those missing packages. We have option like we can upload our existing files from local disk to DSW environment. I am going to upload my Python code and data file. This is my Python code. This code developed in reinforcement queue learning algorithm. This project is will be used in warehouse industry. Warehouse is a part of supply chain industry. Warehouse has two major processes like put away, where we unstuff the goods from a truck and place it into storage inside warehouse, and a second process called picking, where we take out the goods from storage and stuff into truck for shipping. My algorithm is going to optimize the picking process and it will show the shortest picking path for workers and robots. This is a Python code. First step, we have to import all necessary libraries. I am using NumPy, Panda, Matplotlib, Pickle, Joblib. Pickle is for packaging trained model. Panda and NumPy is used for reading data and data manipulation purpose. Matplotlib will help to show the data in graph. first step we got to import the libraries. Second step we have to load the file data into memory. So this shows 5 rows with 30 columns, first 5 rows. Third step we have to do data cleaning. I'm checking whether is there any null values. It seems like there is no null values, and I'm going to check next step is a data exploration, where we have to check whether data has any outliers, statistics details. I'm going to check dimension of data. It shows 30 rows and 30 columns. Now I am going to check whether data has any outliers or anonymous characters in data. That outliers we can check by plotting the data using a box plot. Now pre-processing is done. Now we got to train the model. I'm going to build the model now. Once model is built, now I'm going to train the model. Model is trained. Now I'm going to validate whether a trained model is good or not. I'm passing picking location 26,6. I'm passing a picking location 28,6. It returns the picking path. Now I am going to show that path in a graph. This is a path robots or workers will take to reach 26,6 picking location. We can plot Q values. We can show Q values in table. We can show the rewards too. Once model is built and validated, we can package it for production environment. I'm using pickle package to library to create the deployment package for production. Once the package is ready, pickle file is ready, then we got to validate whether a created package is good or not. So we can load back, then we can pass the values and see whether output shows any output or not. Once we run the package, we can see left side, we can see rl wms.pickle. Now I am going to validate that package is good or not. Yeah, it seems package is good. Let's show it in a graph. Yeah, I am passing picking location 25,17. It shows picking path in a text as well as in a graph. So package is also valid. Model is ready for production environment. Yeah, that's it guys. So we can run any machine learning algorithms in Alibaba Cloud with a few clicks. So while doing this, I did not see any issues or any problems. I did not face any error or anything. So we can also run we can also develop code in Pi itself. We don't if we don't have any Jupyter notebook code or Python code in local, we can directly run it using visualized modeling tool, or we can any ANN projects, deep learning projects, we can develop those projects also in Alibaba Pi. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Bye.